The Mini 5 Pro, the Mavic 4, or something completely different? What does DJI have in store for us this year? In this video, we'll look at some of the recent DJI leaks, as well as give our predictions for what's in store in 2025. Before we get too far into it, let's briefly take a walk down memory lane and discuss DJI's 2024 releases. We started off the year with a massive drop, the Flycart 30, a drone designed specifically for delivery services, featuring a 30-liter payload capacity, advanced obstacle avoidance, and a fully integrated parachute, just in case something goes wrong. DJI even took it up to the base camp of Everest to help clean up trash. While it was cool to see DJI take a step into the delivery sector, it left a lot of pilots wondering, yeah, that looks sick, but would I really want that? Next in April was the Avata 2, which packaged the thrill of FPV into a compact drone that you could pick up at your local Best Buy. The Avata 2 gave users the gift of high-quality performance at a reasonable price, but that wouldn't be the only FPV-compatible drone that the company would bring out last year. DJI kicked off Techtober with a bang and introduced the DJI Neo. This is a sub-250-gram drone that features 4K recording, AI subject tracking, and is compatible with DJI's FPV system. Now it's all that for just $179 US. The Neo quickly became a fan favorite due to its portability and its easy to use features. I mean, you don't even need a controller. In October, we got the Air 3S, which brought back the beloved 1-inch sensor to the DJI Air series, all staying true to what the series is known for: affordability. While it retained the dual lens system seen on the original Air 3, it brought more features than its predecessor: a LiDAR sensor for better obstacle avoidance, free panorama mode, and a few minor but noticeable improvements on the video quality side. The Air 3S quickly became the go-to middle ground drone for travel creators who want more than what the Mini series can offer, but don't want to pay $4,000 for the new Mavic. DJI has already hit us with some big releases for this year, and we're only like 2 months into it. It's safe to say they're probably not going to be updating any of the drones we've just mentioned, but other things are coming. Do you smell something, Cam?
What?
Something's cooking. Straight out of the gate, we got the Matrice 4 series. This was recently unveiled and is quite a powerhouse for professionals working in the industrial space. The Matrice 4 features a set of high-quality camera lenses suited for a variety of scenarios, and a few minor quality of life features such as foreground stabilization, vehicle detection, and electronic dehazing. But what DJI unveiled next left us in complete disbelief. Late last year, leaks began to surface of a new addition to DJI's lineup, a new compact, foldable drone, and it's unlike anything that DJI have ever released before. It features a similar design to the Neo, but it has the Mini 4's camera. That package is pretty solid. DJI didn't waste any time. On January 14th, the Flip was officially revealed to the public. So, what comes next? Off the hop, it's the Mavic 4 Pro. It's pretty obvious we're gonna see a Mavic 4 released, likely in April of this year. Over the last several months, we've seen leaked videos of tests, an FCC filing, and Jesper Ellens has some info on the new projected specs of the aircraft. According to the rumors, the Mavic 4 Pro will feature a 100 megapixel camera, 52 minutes of flight time, and features stepless electronic ND filters. We wonder about a bump in resolution to 6K or 8K and maybe a global shutter. We also can't ignore the form factor. Clearly they're beefing up the internals, and that's something that we're all for. It's likely it's going to be a showstopper, and we'll have a full roundup video of all the rumors closer towards April, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Once this Mavic 4 Pro is released, it's likely going to become the go-to for professional filmmakers who want high quality footage. So long, Inspire 3. A successor to the widely popular Mini series could be on its way for a debut, probably in the summer. Cam, you're telling me already?
Yeah.
Wasn't the Mini 4 Pro released like 10 minutes ago?
Yeah.
Okay, well, rumors and an alleged photo have already surfaced on the Mini 5 Pro. But do we even want this? Like, what more could we ask for a drone of that size? After all, the Mini 4 Pro brought a jump in image quality with better low light performance, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and it's still under that 250-gram weight limit. We don't think we're gonna see any crazy bumps in image quality, maybe a few quality of life improvements that are gonna make the Mini a more seamless experience. Now, these early leaks point to new LiDAR capabilities and a better design with vented motors, which will provide pilots with greater control and more stability, particularly in windy conditions. If these leaks are true, the Mini 5 will be a very, very small upgrade. Now, it will still be a good starter drone, but it might not be worth replacing your whole fleet. While it is unlikely we could see an addition to the Air line this year with an Air 4. The very first photo of the alleged Air 4 surfaced in early February, and it shows a similar design to the Mavic 4 Pro, slightly beefed up but also slightly slimmed down. If we do see an upgrade to the Air series, we're predicting we'll see a bump back up to 5.1K with a 1-inch sensor on both a wide and medium lens. With this drone, we'd really want to see something that makes us go, wow, we need that. Not to slam DJI, but these incremental releases with very, very small upgrades are a little bit disappointing to us. What we're seeing in drones right now, this parallels the late 2010s in cell phone development, where every year it would be very, very, very small incremental developments instead of cell phones going in leaps and bounds that they did in the early stage of smartphones. Now, the market will decide if this style of release is going to be popular with consumers. It's popular with consumers. For now, we recommend what we always say if you're feeling overwhelmed by the onslaught of new hardware. The best drone, the best camera, the best phone is the one you have in your hand right now. As the year progresses, we're more likely to see leaks and photos. If we do see an Air 4 debut this year, we place our bet it would be in the latter half so as to not cannibalize the sales of the Air 3S. If you thought the Mavic Pro was going to be the showstopper of the year, we've got something a little bit more unique than that. Leaks have started to surface of a new addition to DJI's action lineup. A 360 camera capable of capturing video from every angle. Our bet is that this camera will shoot in 8K or higher and come packed with a lot of the features we've come to love on the Osmo Action series, like intelligent tracking, good battery life, and an easy-to-use operating system. 360-degree cameras are a great tool to have in your bag, especially if you're a content creator for social media or want to document your process as a drone pilot. They capture everything in every direction. You don't need to worry where the camera is pointing. Just hit record and go. No more, was that in frame? We also wouldn't be surprised if DJI continues to push their envelope on the innovation side and introduce something wildly different. After all, they launched the Avinox system last year. Now this is a powerful electric bike motor designed to provide power for those out on the trail when they need it most, because Cam's too lazy to pedal.
Wait, what?
They could introduce something completely new, maybe something in the automotive space. I mean, who wouldn't want to roll around in a DJI car? DJI seems to have the architecture to support building cars, so it's hard to know for sure, but it may only be a matter of time. That's our look at 2025. If you want to come along with us as we put drones through their paces, provide insight on how to make money, and to stay up to date with all the latest leaks, you know what to do. You need to hit that subscribe button. We want to know what you think. Will the leaks and rumors come true, or will DJI throw us a few curveballs? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.